See, I'm discussing very important topic. Here, if you are purchasing any WordPress website or making for any WordPress website, how to install for SEO plugins on your WordPress website. The SEO plugin purpose of index your website purpose, robo.txt, XML sitemap, using for canonical form and every option purpose we can using for SEO plugins. First of all, log in your dashboard from your WordPress, that is called mydomain.com/wp-admin. Any WordPress site you can log in will be same option, mydomain.com/wp-admin. After that, they can show for username and password. Click for login. Once login in the screen, they can open your dashboard. See this. This is called your dashboard. In this dashboard, we can show option called is plugins. SEO on page purpose. Can using for two plugins. Using for two plugins. The plugin name is called, please write down. One is called all-in-one SEO pack. All-in-one SEO pack. Next one, Yoasta plugin. YOAST. Yoasta plugin. In this plugin, we can using for your SEO on page purpose. Now here, in this, just click for add new. First, look at the screen carefully, watch. Click for add new plugin. Here, they can show n number of plugin will be free, few will be premium. Just scroll down here, see. These are the plugins. See, how many plugins are there? See this one. In this one, select for, what is that? Popular. Look the plugins. Featured, popular, recommended, and favorite. See here, contact form purpose. Yoasta SEO. What is that? It's a popular plugin. Then this one, WordPress importer, WooCommerce, all-in-one SEO pack. Here, Thingy MC Advanced, Google XML sitemap. These are the your plugins. Which is you want? Just click for one option. That is called click for install now. Once click install now, they confirm your plugin, install the plugin. So here, I'm already installed for all-in-one SEO pack. Once install this plugin, the option available for in this option. In this plugin, we can showing for n number of options. The options are, see here, canonical form, activate. The page navigation for canonical URLs. Enable for custom canonical URLs. Use original title. So I'm going for disable. Use schema.org markup. Yes. Law important events. These are home title and description. These are writing for in this all-in-one SEO pack. Each and every option available for the all-in-one SEO pack. So here, if anyone asking the question, WordPress SEO plugins are 2. If you install any one, out of 2, we can install only for one. One plugin is all-in-one SEO pack. Second will be Yoasta plugin. Once install one plugin, remaining one you have to uninstall. So are using Yoasta, uninstall for all-in-one SEO pack. Any one plugin will be using for SEO on page and off page purpose on your website on WordPress.